All right, so now we've gone ahead and installed the hard drive. So this is the SSD there that we installed. I'm going to boot it from my USB drive into Paragon. This is a boot manager, so this does backup and recovery. So you're able to take your laptop once it's fully um, ready to go. So you've installed the operating system, all the drivers, updates where you want it to be. I use this for my personal computers as well. I get them to where I feel like I have everything installed. Then I do a backup of that hard drive. Then if anything ever happens to that machine or that hard drive, then I can go ahead and restore that image. So it's a very, very simple software to use, very user friendly. I think this is 12, version 12 of their software. Let me backup and recovery option. All right, so here's the SSD's partition. This has an old image, so we're going to delete it. I always just check the do not ask volume label next time. Hit OK. Yes, it'll mark it as green, as free space, and then you can go ahead and restore the partition. And I believe, yeah, this is the one. So the thing with the software, if you back up an image from a smaller hard drive, it'll do this where it's going to fill the space that matches the hard drive size of the original drive that you backed up, and then it'll show free space. All you have to do is drag this over to consume the entire available space of the hard drive. So in this instance, we expanded it so that we can make use of the full SSD. Then you hit restore. So nothing has changed. So if you accidentally deleted a partition from another drive, all you have to do is select undo all, and it will restore them because it hasn't performed anything. We have to select apply down here at the bottom. Then what this will do is going to delete the partition. So it has two operations, see? So the first one is going to be deleting the partition with the old image and then restoring this new image. We'll come back when it's done. All right, so the recovery has finished. It took about just shy of 21 minutes. So then you just close it, close out the program, and then here you can reboot the computer and then just unplug any USB device that you have. I'm hoping it actually boots quickly since it has the SSD. We'll see. It is Windows Vista, so. Yeah, so it's actually not taking too long to boot. That was actually pretty quick, especially for Windows Vista, and this has only got 512 megabytes of memory. So yeah, SSD works.